Good morning. Welcome to the Michigan Hall of Justice. Before I call our second case of the day, we have a special presentation by Carl Herstein for the Michigan Supreme Court Historical Society. Welcome, Carl. Good to see you.
All right.
You're fine.
Thank you very much, Chief Justice Clement and fellow justices. May it please the court. I am, as you said, Carl Herstein, privileged to serve as the president of the Michigan Supreme Court Historical Society. This is the 40th anniversary year of the society, which seeks to increase understanding about the work of this honorable court and to preserve its history through scholarship, education, the collection of artifacts, memorabilia, and pictorial representations. This has been an important year of transition for the Society, as last December we welcomed Lynn Seeks as our new Executive Director and Carrie Charlo as our Assistant Executive Director, both outstanding people well known due to her previous work as member of the court staff and Carrie's continuing work with the State Bar. We also welcomed 4 new directors, one of whom is with me today. They are former Justice Corrigan, Fred Baker, J. Mark Cooney, and Peter Cunningham. Also with me today, besides Lynn and Carrie, are Joe Gavin and John Purich. Since our last report to the court, we've added several judicial portraits, those of Justice Stephen Markman, Maura Corrigan, and Marilyn Kelly, to the magnificent collection of which we are the custodian, and helped host portrait dedication ceremonies in conjunction therewith, which I believe members of this court will agree are among the most delightful events on the judicial calendar. We are also looking forward to the portrait unveiling of Justice Curtis Wilder in late November. We held our annual meeting in Detroit and heard the John W. Reed Memorial Lecture. We hope to add several new events this year around the state involving discussions of cases of this court, together with questions and answers and some socializing. We continue to commission new scholarly work about the court. Our latest project relates to Justice Cooley and his development of the Interstate Commerce Commission, of which he was the first leader of that group. We continue to publish our quarterly newsletter and make available to the public our other publications, such as the outstanding Michigan Supreme Court Historical Reference Guide, now in its 2nd edition. We've continued to develop a relationship with the Bentley Historical Library in Ann Arbor to help facilitate the preservation of papers of the justices. The Bentley includes in its collection the papers of a number of former members of this court. In addition, we have received for our collection a large assortment of the papers of former Justice Thomas Brennan, which we are about to begin to catalog. We've also collected a number of artifacts relating to the court and required a new display case so that they may be enjoyed by the public at this Hall of Justice. We expect to continue to add to our oral and now video histories of court justices, all available on our website, along with a vast amount of material on the court. We're also continuing to work on our project about the role of law clerks with the court, including a law clerk directory, which currently has over 200 names. Our Advocates Guild continues to hold its annual dinner, upcoming this month, as well as to develop its own scholarly research on the role of the lawyers who come before this court. In addition, as you may know, the Guild has been working on a project to enhance advocacy before the court through the use of video to be posted on our YouTube site. We also provide internships, both paid and voluntary, legal history awards to outstanding students at the law schools in our state, lesson plans for K through 12 students, and we serve as the fiduciary for the funds of the Learning Center here at the Hall of Justice. Our new leadership team is working to grow the size of our membership and to enhance the work of the society, and we are very excited for what lies in store. If you have any questions, I'll be pleased to answer them.
Questions? I just want to express our thanks and gratitude for all of the work that you and the staff does, and it is very much appreciated all throughout the year. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much.